that these are the areas that are going to flood more frequently and longer durations. So we're going to have to start abandoning them because they're going to be flooded too much. I can give you examples. If I go to Mississippi, where it actually gets to the point, if I click here, yeah, this is Apalachicola. In this case, the graph actually flip-flops. Currently, it happened 4 times the past 3 years, how many times we've gone to this threshold. And then with a 1/2 meter sea level rise, it's happened 356 times. And then you see the graphs kind of flip-flop. And first indication is that's not correct. But actually, you start going up to this 3-foot mean low water is what they use there for the threshold. You'll actually be above that threshold most of the time, and you'll only be dipping down below it. So the number of events actually goes down, but the duration goes up. You can see that it almost happens most of the year, 343 days. So 343 days with a meter of sea level rise, we'd have this whole red area would be underwater. So again, this really points out the areas that are going to have to be, when it comes to adaptation planning, these are the areas we're going to have to get out of the way first because they're going to be impacted so often. And so with such a long duration that it's going to become more than just nuisance flooding. Okay, a couple other things I wanted to point out. I guess you've noticed there's a question mark right next to a lot of these tabs. If you click on that, it shows you what you're looking at. It shows you, like, what am I seeing in this map, and it gives you a good description, and that's the same on all these. That's the same on all of these. You can get a little description on if you click on the